Okay, see the 10th first problem. The answer, what is the right hand side? It is 5x plus 4. Let us see, when we get 5x plus, when you add rows as well as when you add columns also you get the 5x plus 4. So what I do is, first I take C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 is going to change. It becomes this plus this plus this. That means all the elements of C1 to be added to C2 and C3. 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, and C2 and C3 remains same. X plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now you can take 5x plus 4 common from the first row column, 1, 1, 1, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. When you have 3 ones, we fix 1 and we make 2, the rest of the 2 0. Like R2 to R2 minus R1. Also R3 to R3 minus R1. R1, let us make it fix 5x plus 4 into 1, 2x, 2x. It becomes 0. And this minus this become 4 minus x. And this becomes 0. 0, 0. This becomes 4 minus x. Now, let us expand this with the property 5x plus 4 of, it becomes 4 minus x whole square. That is the answer. The same process we can do for this problem also. It is 3y plus k. Let us take same process, same C1 plus C2 plus C3. The first column becomes 3y plus k, 3y plus k, 3y plus k. So it becomes y plus k, y plus k. Now take 3y plus k common from the first column. It becomes 1, 1, 1, y plus k, y plus k. We got 3 ones. Immediately we fix R1 and we change R2 to R2 minus R1 and also R3 to R3 minus R1. So it becomes 3y plus k into, that of first row remains same. It becomes 0, k, 0, 0, 0, k. Then what happens? Just eliminate this row and column. 3y plus k into, it becomes k square minus 0. 3y plus k into k square. See, in this problem, the right hand side is to get a plus b plus c whole cube. So you will get a plus b plus c when you add these three elements, these two elements to the first row element. So we take R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That means R2 and R3 remain same. R2 and R3 let us write first. So 2c, 2c, c minus m. So when we add these two to this, it becomes a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. So let us take a plus b plus c common from the first row. 1, 1, 1, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b. You are getting 1, 1, 1. When you are getting 1, 1, 1, the problem becomes more simpler. We fix 1, 1 and we make the rest 2 zeros. Here you need to apply c. So c2 to c2 minus c1 and also c3 to c3 minus c1, so that the first column remains same. 1, 2b, 2c, 0. And when you subtract this from this, it becomes minus b minus c minus a. Like this, minus of a plus b plus c and 0. Next one, 0, 0. It also becomes minus of a plus b plus c and outside a plus b, missed this. Just a minute. We have to write this, a plus b plus c. Now, just eliminate the row and the column that 1, 0, 0 belongs. It becomes a plus b plus c outside. Inside it becomes a plus b plus c whole square minus 0. The whole thing becomes a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay. Okay. See in this question, the right hand side is 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. Okay. 2 into x plus y. It becomes 2 into when you add columns. C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then you get the same thing. 2 into x plus y plus z for the first column. Same 2 into x plus y plus z for the second column, 2 into x plus y plus z for the third column. And the rest of the columns remain same. Y plus z plus 2x, x, y, z plus x plus 2y. What you can take common from here? 2 into x plus y plus z from this column. It becomes 1, 1, 1 x y plus z plus 2x x x y z plus x plus 2y. Okay. When you have ones, we know how to do. What we do? We fix 1, 1, r2 to r2 minus r1, also r3 to r3 minus r1. Now, outside it will be 2 into x plus y plus z like that only. Inside, first row will be remaining same. Sorry, x. Second row, 0. When you separate this from this, it becomes x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z, and this becomes y minus x. I think this is y now. Then it becomes 0. This is y only. I just wrote wrong. Y. Sorry. Now, next one is 0, 0, and this also becomes x plus y plus z. Now you can apply the property. 2 into x plus y plus z, inside the determinant, it becomes x plus y plus z whole square. So the whole answer becomes 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. Okay. See, in this question, it is entirely different. We don't get that idea. The right hand side is something 1 minus x cube and all the terms are whole squares. Here, we have to apply the property of this. A cube minus b cube will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. How we use this, I tell you. So, first of all, add all. C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3. What happens? 1 plus x square, 1 plus x plus x square, 1 plus x plus x square. So it becomes x, 1, x square, second and third columns remains the same. Now take 1 plus x square common from the first column, 1, 1, 1, x1, x square, x1. Now, from when you have one same process, r2 to r2 minus r1 and r3 to r3 minus r1. So 1 plus x square outside, it becomes 1x x square, 0, 1 minus x minus x square. You can write x into 1 minus x. It also becomes 0. X square minus x, you can write x into x minus 1 and 1 minus x square. So, from the second row, you can apply the property here only, but first let us do little more simplification. 1 plus x square outside. Take 1 minus common from the second row and 1 minus common from the third row also. Then it becomes whole square. So it becomes 1x x square, 0, 1 minus x. And here 0, it becomes minus x because we took 1 minus x common. And it becomes 1 plus x when you take 1 minus x common. Now you can apply the property. So what is left there? 1 plus x square. It is 1 minus x whole square. 1 plus x, AD minus BC plus x square it becomes. So on the whole it becomes 1 minus x whole square, 1 plus x square whole square. Take them both in one bracket, 1 plus x square whole square. So that it looks like a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, a cube minus b cube whole square. It becomes 1 minus x cube whole square. See guys, the last two problems are little different and little difficult also, where we don't get idea at the time. So what to do here? So the right hand side to prove the is 1 plus a square plus b square. So here ab terms are there. So what to do? The process, look here carefully so that when you get some problem like that, if you do examples also, what to do? So the only option we can do is, I take b common from the first row so that the first row becomes b, because b is not common here. It becomes like this. And a common from the second row, it becomes 2b. 1 minus a square plus b square by a, 2. don't take anything and write like this. Now we took common b from the first row. No? You multiply that with first column. Then what happens? B gets cancelled. It becomes 2b square, 2b square. Now fraction got eliminated. A with the second column. 2a square, 1a square plus b square minus 2a square. Is it minus? Yeah. Now minus 2, 2, 1 minus a square minus b square. Now the whole problem got converted in terms of squares where the RHS is there. Okay, now we need 1 plus a square plus b square. When it becomes 1 plus a square plus b square, when you add r1 to r1 plus r2, okay, then what happens? It becomes 1 plus a square plus b square. When you add this to this also, 1 plus a square plus b square, 0. And when you add, when you subtract r2 to r3, r2 minus r3, r2 to r2 minus r3, you get the same thing. 0. This minus this minus this means plus a 2a square. It becomes, so that it becomes 1 plus a square plus b square. And this minus of this minus 1 plus a square plus b square. It becomes 1 plus a square plus b square again. So that both you can do, because 2 steps are allowed in one step. Sorry, 2 operations are allowed in one step. Now what you can take on from the first row? 1 plus a square plus b square. Second row also. So I wrote whole square. It becomes 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2b square minus 2a square, 1 minus a square minus b square. So let us make this also 0, so that you can apply the property. C2 to C2 minus C1. So it becomes 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, 1, 0, 2b square, 0, 1 minus 2a square minus 2b square, 0, 1, 1 minus a square minus b square. I do the last step here. Now you can apply the property. Just remove them and remove this. It becomes 1 plus a square plus b square whole square outside. Inside the debt of that leftover matrix. 1 minus a square minus b square plus 2a square plus 2b square. So it becomes 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 plus a square plus b square. So the whole thing becomes 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Okay? Okay, this is also the same type, but you have a, b, c here. So the right hand side is in terms of squares. Let us convert. So what I do is the first step, I take a common from the first row, so that it becomes a square plus 1 by a, b, c. B from the second row, a, b square plus 1 by b, c. C from the third row, a, b, c square plus 1 by c. Now what to do? You multiply a with the first column now. When you are taking from row, you multiply with the column. A square plus 1, a square, a square. B square plus 1, b square. C square, c square, c square plus 1. Now I think you can get the column, by adding C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3, you get the required thing in the first column. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. It becomes b square plus 1, b square, c square, c square, c square plus 1. What you can take on from the first row column? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. It becomes 1, 1, 1, b square plus 1, b square, c square, c square, c square plus 1. So now, when you have ones, R2 to R2 minus R1, R3 to R3 minus R1. So it becomes 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 b square c square, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you can eliminate this, and it is nothing but 1 minus 0. You get the same answer, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay? See. Determinant of K is a constant. 15th question. A is a matrix. Ka. So what is the answer? I told you when you take a determinant, you are not supposed to take common from all the elements. You can take the common from each row. Suppose if K is a common element from all the elements of a matrix and it has 3 rows and 3 columns. So how many times K can be taken? K can be taken from 3 rows. So K will come out 3 times. First row you can take K common, second row also you can take K common, third row also, because K is the element which is multiple of all the elements of A. So it becomes K cube of det A. The main concept is K into A, it is K power n into det A if A is a matrix of order n. Now 16th question. Which of the following is correct? Determinant is a square matrix. No, determinant is a value. Is a number associated to a square matrix. Why square matrix? Because we do determinant only for a square matrix. Okay? Right.